this tutorial, you will learn how to find earnings release date of Indian stocks using investing.com. Use the link provided in the description to visit Indian version of investing.com. Go to Tools tab. Under Tools tab, go to Calendars. Now, click on Earnings Calendar. Here you get the results, but you can see they are not from Indian stock exchanges. So, to change the preferences, go to Filters option in the right. Now, uncheck the other selected exchanges and click on India's checkbox to get results of Indian stock exchanges. Scroll down and click on Apply. Now, you can see the earnings release date of stocks listed on Indian stock exchanges. If you are interested in technical analysis, price action, then do visit this blog for similar content. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe the channel for more such videos and press bell icon to receive notifications.